What are we about to do today?
About to be in a world of pain.
Not really.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be fine.
We're gonna laser and shave with a freaking razor.
First?
My stomach. Some hair on my stomach. A patch of hair on my stomach.
Yeah. And so the reason that I'm doing this is because to begin with, like I always shaved like minimal. And so I want to do like a fair trial and show you guys if this machine really works or not. And my perfect candidate and my guinea pig is going to be my love right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be my love. So he's going to be paying for your pleasure.
Right, exactly. So you guys better pay me on Venmo or Zelle or something.
So what's your name on Venmo?
Ciroc West on Venmo. But just Zelle me. Yeah, it's easier.
You can feel free to cash at me too. A bitch is poor.
Nah, pay me.
I'm that bitch.
Do that.
Okay, actually,
Use scissors, please.
we're not gonna be able to. No. Actually, can I take your phone and take pictures of your belly? We need to take pictures. Get up. 10 years later.
Whose
Alright.
playlist is this?
He listens to Tekashi, y'all. He be fucking lying. Just kidding. Okay, so the first thing that you guys are gonna need, I'm gonna go and grab it. I'm just gonna grab a towel, a damn towel with water, and a razor so that I can shave his ass. So
Shave
we're
my
gonna
ass. I didn't sign up for this shit.
Do you want to?
No.
Okay, so we're not shaving his ass. Yeah, we're not shaving his ass, but we are shaving his balls. Okay, just kidding. You're gonna go ahead and grab your sunglasses, sunglasses, and then your laser machine, which I'm holding up.
Plug it for now.
I think they're able to see it. I'm holding up over here just because it has to be connected. And then we have our user guide manual. We're gonna see if Lamar matches and see if he's able to get some laser because you might be too dark.
Yo, please be.
You are right on the safe area.
Let me see that shit.
You are safe.
That shit racist.
It is racist.
That shit said if you black you can't do it. Wow.
It's actually really racist.
But it says like we never burn. That's cool.
That's true. So yeah, first we're gonna go ahead and shave your
Oh my god.
your stomach, and we're doing it on the stomach because I think you're fine. That's the only place that he's fine with.
I didn't say that, but I have a weird like patch of hair here.
Yeah.
It's not symmetrical. So
Yeah. So
just do that patch.
we're just gonna.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm in surgery. You just doing that patch, or are you doing the whole thing?
I'm doing the whole thing.
Not with the razor, man. Like
I have to do it with the razor.
wait, I have clippers.
No, it has to be the razor.
It doesn't.
Oh, let me bring the shaving cream. 1 second.
Oh, she was about to kill me.
You guys, you have to use shaving cream because he might kill you after he wakes up from the
I thought I was
scare.
gonna be bleeding all over the place.
So grab your goddamn shaving cream. And,
See, now I feel more safe. There
and
we
now
go.
if he's hairy, it's gonna take a long time.
It's gonna take a long time for what? To shave?
Yeah, because you're hairy. I've never really done this out of the shower, so.
I sort of freaking everything. Oh shit!
I'm sorry. Sorry, we need to relax.
I can't relax with a freaking sharp ass.
You're showing them your titties.
My fucking six pack about to come out.
Sure, relax. I'm gonna need you to take a quick breath.
Just go. Sir,
Sir, count from 1 to 5.
Wait, that part has no shaving cream
It has
on
to
it.
be even.
No, but that part had no shaving cream.
Babe, yeah.
Please only do the parts that have shaving.
There's hair there. I need to be consistent. You clogged up my. He clogged up my fucking razor.
Man,
Oh my god.
I feel like I'm bleeding.
Look at all your fucking hair. Yeah. You gotta do
See,
it.
your razor can't even even handling this?
Because you got too much hair. Maybe it's from. I don't know. Stop bleaching. We gotta go like 5 times.
That's why.
5 rounds.
That's why I told you only do that side.
Shit.
I told you only do that side
No.
because it was like you wouldn't have this much trouble.
We gotta do all of it. Okay, so what did we do?
We made my stomach bleed all over the place.
We did not make.
Because you tried to shave my stomach without shaving cream, so.
Well, now he's like 10 pounds leaner.
Yeah, literally. Like, woo! Look at the clean ass stomach right there.
Wow. The skin is flawless from here to here.
There's like 3 hairs still there, but.
Yeah, I mean, we can fix those, but I mean, it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
So we did this off camera because it was really.
Easier.
Yeah, it was.
I didn't want to do that in bed too. There's a lot of hair.
This motherfucker was hairy, man.
It was a lot of hair.
It was so much
Pretty
hair.
sure you could have donated that.
Yeah, I made like a whole wig or extensions, but yeah. So we did that off camera. We used the water. It was so much easier that way. And yeah. So what you have to do is wait 24 hours after shaving so that you don't irritate the skin. So if we were to laser right away, my lammy would probably get a little rash or something. I don't know, would get irritated. No rash, sorry, but yeah, don't want him to go through that. So.
And she also told me that this laser procedure is going to stop hair from growing there forever, which I didn't know.
I feel like that's.
But I guess
people know that.
I'm still gonna commit to this. Whatever. I'll still do it for you guys.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. We will see you guys back tomorrow night. Okay.
All right. Peace.
Deuces. Okay. So we're gonna use your handy dandy glasses.
Wait, just let me know before you actually turn it on.
Okay. So now we are ready. He's not ready. He's not ready for this.
I'm not ready. I don't even know if this is safe. And that sounds crazy.
Alright, love.
It sounds like an airplane is about to take off.
Alright, love. So, I'm going to turn up the volume. Actually, I feel like I'm going to turn up the volume on 3 for you.
No,
it's not that bad.
Just do one.
It's not that bad.
No.
It's not that bad.
No, just do like middle, man. I'm not ready for it.
This is the middle.
Yet.
This is the middle. So we're gonna do middle, and I'm gonna do it on.
Burns already.
I'm gonna do it on glide mode, okay? So I'm not gonna have to press every single time. So, you ready? You ready?
Nope.
He's ready.
Ah.
Relax. Let me just relax. You're just gonna feel. What are you feeling?
Very warm.
Okay, what else?
Warm and doesn't feel bad.
Yeah. So tell the people a little louder.
It's warm and it doesn't really feel that bad.
So it's just warm. Do you feel any pain?
No. No pain.
We're almost done. We're literally almost done. For all the times, ladies, that they've done it wrong.
I feel like you're going a little higher.
No, and literally...
Done?
Presto!
Ooh. God damn.
Alright. So, that was it.
That wasn't too bad.
That wasn't too bad. So now for your rules, you're not gonna shower.
I'm cool with that.
Hot showers. Actually, you can shower. You can shower, but you can't do hot showers. You can't do exfoliation. No lotions, no fragrances on it. The only thing that we're gonna be adding is this handy dandy aloe, and this is gonna soothe the tingling and burning sensation that you had. And
I don't have that anymore.
No, but it's just gonna help. If anything, it's just gonna like hydrate it a little bit too.
Okay.
So that's really it.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
It was warm and it felt like an icy hot pretty much.
An icy hot?
Well, without the ice part, it was just all like just heat. But
yeah, I mean, it doesn't
very
really
simple.
hurt at all, right?
No, it didn't hurt. No.
Would you?
And was 3 the highest? That definitely was the highest.
No, 5 was the highest.
Oh wow.
Okay, so like your pain tolerance, how would you describe your own pain tolerance?
I don't know. I can take pain. I stayed awake during me getting my wisdom teeth put up.
Okay.
But I did get, some type of numbness to it. But
from 1 to 10, 10 being the worst pain, how would you rate this?
That was like a 1, because it wasn't really pain. It was like just comfort.
Yeah.
When you're like, if I was doing it to myself, then it would be a lot easier. But since like I was like trying to anticipate what you were doing, like, yeah.
Yeah, and he literally had never ever done this before. So I honestly give you good props.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna have a hairless stomach.
Yeah, so he might have hairless stomach coming soon.
Mm-hmm.
Now the gag is, I think we're gonna do this every week.
Oh hell no.
I do my own laser 2 times a week.
I thought this was a one and done.
This is not a one and done. We're actually going to be testing you out throughout the weeks to see how much hair you're losing and where. If this is actually working, you're going to start to see the reduction in your hair. Little by little. But on average, it takes about 3 months for someone to see some of those results.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah.
I feel like something's moving in my stomach. You unlocked a beast.
No, I think you just gotta go poo poo.
I'm just hungry.
And you're just hungry. You haven't even ate.
No.
Alright, guys. Well, we will see you guys later.
Peace.
She's always been okay. She's always been okay.